What's up guys, my name is Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have another challenge video. Today is a winter cupcake challenge being hosted by Maria over at Artsy Cupcake, as well as Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. So I will have a link in the description below to both of their channels. Go show them some love, and then I will have a link in the description as well as at the end of the video to the playlist. If you're new here, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I do craft videos, cake videos, just love doing creative stuff and would love to have you as part of my adventure here. And we just on Thanksgiving Day passed 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. It means the world to me, and it's been just so cool seeing the channel grow and getting to talk to you guys and meet so many other creators in this community, and it's just been really fun. I love doing this and I can't wait to see where this adventure takes me. So I'd love to have you as part of it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. But if you're just stopping by or have stopped by, watched any of my videos, just thank you. Truly, thank you. So today for the challenge, we are doing these winter truck cupcakes. I found some cute toppers. I wanted to keep them very simple. So these are quick, easy, and I think they turned out adorable. So let's go ahead. We'll jump into this video and get started. So to get started, these are the cupcake liners that I found. I got these as well as these picks at Michael's on sale. We're just going to use the trucks from here, but there are the cute tree ones too that we could use in the future. Like I said, keeping these really simple. So we went cake box mix. I thought red velvet would look really cute with the decorations. I mean, it's the holidays, everyone's busy. Sometimes you just need to throw together a last minute cupcake. So, mix up that batter, put it in the liners, get them in the oven, and then we have some cupcakes. So first up for decoration, this is super easy. Just some white buttercream icing and a butter knife. I'm just spreading it around the top. It's just basically gonna look like a snow pile, so it doesn't have to be fancy, just covering the top of the cupcake. I usually at the end kind of just take the knife and kind of smack the icing a little bit just to kind of give it some ridges on it, but really that's all there is for the first part of the decorating. Next, we just need to mix our green icing. So this was just the white buttercream. I put a Kelly green dye as well as some black dye to darken it up. I did want a little bit of a darker green for the tree. So it was just kind of adding it little by little and adding some black as I needed to darken it, and just kept mixing until I got the color that I wanted, and then just put it into a piping bag. It has a number 18 tip from Wilton on the top here, and that's what we're going to use to pipe the tree. So first up for the tree, just kind of pipe a little pile of icing as kind of a base for it to give you a little bit of a structure to work off of when piping the tree, and then you just work around it from bottom to top, just kind of press and release, squeeze and release with the icing, and then I tried to at least pull downward a little bit to make it look like the branches are coming down a little bit on it. But honestly, it's really just working the way up the cupcake. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a really easy, simple technique. Once you get to the top, it's just kind of tapering in on the top, and then you're just gonna try to get a little bit of a tip on the top of it, and that's really all there is to it. It's very simple, and it just turns out really cute. So I just went through and repeated this for the other two cupcakes, and then we're gonna make it snow. So this was my favorite part. I had seen a video on, I believe, Facebook at some point with them using this technique, and I was like, that looks like so much fun. So I wanted to incorporate it with these cupcakes. It's literally just powdered sugar in a sifter, and you just gently tap it over top of them. It looks so cute. It's so fun to do, and I really had a fun time with it. So then we just grabbed our toppers, threw them into the top of the cupcake, and that's literally all there is to these. They are perfect if you are going to a last minute party, if you need to throw together a dessert for a company holiday party, or anything you're going to last minute. I mean, they're fun, they're relaxing, and they're cute, which makes me happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you did, be sure to leave a like on the video, and like I said earlier, just thank you for 1,000 subscribers again, and thank you to Maria and Heidi for hosting this challenge. Don't forget, I will have that link in the description below, as well at the end of the video here. So be sure to go check out that playlist and see what everyone came up with. I always love seeing the cupcake decorations and the trays that everyone comes up with. They're so cute. So I'm excited to go watch those, and also enjoy this short clip of my cat interrupting me trying to film the liners and toppers for you. But he's so cute, and I wanted to include him. So I love him. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next adventure.